are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show.
It's now time for viewer comments.
Okay, so the first comment is regarding the whole chicken in the slow cooker. Okay. He says, or Duncan Gibb says, Jack, could you film on low settings to see how the chicken turns out, basically. So he wants to see if it comes out just as wonderful. Well, here's the deal. I'm not doing another video on the slow settings, but if you try it, send me a picture and I'll share it on the show. All right? And I'll share it across my social media. And we can see how wonderful the slow setting is. All right? This one is from, is it Bicky A? Thanks for reading my comment, Jack. My name is pronounced Bicky like Mickey. But Bicky, oh, it's a B. With a B? No, it has an A. I'm totally confused. Okay, anyway, it's Bicky. Glad I was able to help you by calling something to your attention. No problem, sorry. I never want to mispronounce people's names. Real names, usernames, I want to respect them. Forgive me for mispronouncing it. Okay, and then the third comment is by Brandon Purple. Brandon says, never would have thought to try cooking a whole chicken like that. Super cool. I've heard the Amish chicken smells better. I wouldn't say, well, I guess I've already said it smells better. But I would say that it basically smells a lot better than the raw chickens in the store. Not that I would eat a raw Amish chicken, but they cook up better, the skin's thicker, they're just better all around. So I'm sitting here in the studio just thinking, I like thinking about what am I going to do next on the show. It's like a clean slate. You can do whatever you want. So I'm thinking, what is the flavors I miss since I've been carnivore? One of the flavors I miss is Mexican street corn. If you've ever had Mexican street corn, it's a corn on the cob, grilled on the street, with a bunch of, it's got a little citrus, got a little salt, it's got a little cumin, got cheese, grated Parmesan. It's really good. Let's make Mexican street corn wings. So here I am in the studio. I literally have brought this all together in my own head. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So we're going to do butter, lemon pepper, give it a little heat with some crushed red peppers, cumin for that Mexican flavor. We got a rack here to put all our wings on. The cheese, the Parmesan cheese, we will coat it. It is in the refrigerator right now. We wait till the last minute and grab it. Let's see if we can make this recipe happen. Totally made up recipe. All right, guys, so let's melt the butter real quick. Take about a minute or two, and then we'll start preparing. All right, guys, it's super simple. We got all our seasoning in this bowl. We're just gonna mix it up. We're gonna take our chicken wing. We're gonna coat it in the butter. And then, shake, shake, shake. Shake off all the excess. Then throw it in here. Roll it in the seasoning. And then put it on the rack here. There we go. Be a little messy. And top each one with some cheese. Just like that. Okay, so if this comes out the way I think, it's gonna be cheesy, citrusy, cumin, Mexican flavor, and spicy with the red pepper flakes. It's an amazing combination of flavors. I hope it comes out good. Looks good. Smells great. So now let's give it a try and see if it's weird because the cheese kind of turned orangish. I expected it to melt, but it doesn't look like it melted much. That was kind of weird. So let's check it out. Okay guys, something really weird happened. So I took a little snippet of cheese and it was spicy. I didn't get any red pepper flakes on me, but the cheese came out spicy. That was really weird. And it turned orange. That's a little weird too. So anyway, let's see what it all tastes like together. It's been sitting out a while. So in the recipe down below, I'll back off on the lemon pepper, but it all comes together good. The cheese is good, the butter's good, all of it. So check it out, try it yourself. If you like Mexican street corn, these wings came out great. And that's it. So I will see you on the next episode. I love you.